It is with great honor to present here today at the 4th International Research Conference hosted by St. Dominic College of Asia. To my fellow researchers, co-presenter, dear panelists, good morning. Have you ever experienced difficulties in mathematics and asked yourselves, why is it important to study this subject? Have you had thoughts like, who invented such headache? Why is this even necessary? Some even made an acronym for math, which stands for Mental Abuse to Humans. Students relate to this notion every day and experience mathematics difficulties at school, which have various negative effects. Once again, good morning everyone. My name is Lee Kevin Pira Florido, and my co-presenter, Joseph Aaron Pira Bless, the proponent of the study entitled A Qualitative Exploration of the Effects of Mathematics Difficulties on STEM Students' Academic Success.
Mathematics is the science and study of quality, structure, space, and change. Over the years, mathematics difficulties have become more common. It became a significant challenge hindering one's confidence and academic progress. Mathematics difficulties are classified as the lack of skill, comprehension, performance, and ability of oneself. It is affected by many factors, such as short-term memory, visual and perceptual skills, and complexity of mathematical subjects, extending to physics, calculus, trigonometry, and algebra, which have led to many students' failure due to the said subjects' difficulties.
With that, the main problem of the study is what are the effects of mathematics difficulties on STEM students' academic success? Specifically, it sought to answer the following questions. Number one, what are the problems encountered by the selected STEM students towards mathematics? Number two, how do mathematics difficulties affect the academic performance of selected STEM students? Number three, how do STEM students perceive and describe their lived experiences with mathematics difficulties? Lastly, for number four, what strategies do selected STEM students use to overcome challenges in mathematics?
For the duration of the study, for research design, the researchers use a qualitative approach to gather information since the study dealt with complex issues requiring an in-depth understanding of people's perspectives and experiences. For our research locale, this study will be carried out at Landi National High School located in Barangay Landi, Santa Cruz, Marinduque. As for population and sample, the researchers use a purposive sampling to identify the students who could provide insights into the difficulties they were experiencing in math subjects.
For our research instruments, observation and semi-structured interview questionnaires were used in this study to gain a more comprehensive and in-depth understanding of the effects of mathematics difficulties. For our data collection, the respondents were interviewed with the utmost ethical consideration. Lastly, for our data analysis, the data gathered was validated, then it will be proceeded to coding, then the responses were thematically analyzed.
These are the results of the study. The table 1 shows the problem encountered by the selected STEM students towards mathematics. It reflects that some STEM students have trouble with problem solving and struggles with selecting an appropriate strategy or right mathematical concept to solve the problem. The student hurdle was not limited to computation, but extended to application and comprehension of mathematical concepts in situations described in words. Otherwise, the state of being overwhelmed stems from an excessive number of formulas that are expected to be memorized, applied, and comprehended. When information is abundant, the process of which formula to use in each problem becomes a problem itself, thus confusing the process of problem solving rather than clarifying it. Table 2 shows how mathematics difficulties affects the academic performance of selected STEM students. It demonstrates how low grades affect the students' perceptions of themselves. Likewise, it shows the emotional implications of exerting a great deal of effort without achieving the expected academic gains. It suggests that mathematical struggles experienced by some STEM students are the root feeling of dissatisfaction with the grades they receive. Nevertheless, not all students look at struggles as burden to them, but some view them as motivation to work hard and to overcome the struggles they might experience.
Table 3 shows the lived experiences of STEM students with mathematics difficulties. The two essential themes of the table are alienated and emotionally vulnerable. These statements proves that comparing oneself to others discourages and causes someone's motivation to be lessened. It leads to insecurity, as measuring a student's worth is against someone's ability or capability, thus resulting in vulnerability. Table 4 presents the strategies of selected STEM students to overcome challenges in mathematics. The two essential themes of the table are engagement and repetition. These responses indicate that personal engagement towards mathematics could be an essential factor in overcoming challenges concerning mathematics.
The study provided valuable insights into how mathematical struggles and difficulties affect the students' academic performance. It became evident that these difficulties have negatively impacted the academic success of STEM students. It revealed that students lack the foundational knowledge needed to solve math problems. Selected participants of this study experienced cognitive overload due to the abundance of formulas to familiarize and memorize. It also revealed that teachers play an important role in aiding students' mathematics comprehension.
Participants of the study recommended noteworthy strategies to overcome challenges in mathematics. Tutoring and listening attentively can aid student engagement with the topic. Meanwhile, some participants recommended that reviewing and practicing math problems can help students gain comprehension through repetition.
These are the recommendations. Encourage STEM students to have a growth mindset, emphasizing the belief that mathematical intelligence and skills can be developed with effort and hard work. Second, teachers should strategize, which is crucial to make their students understand the lessons, thus incorporating multiple teaching methods and providing visual aids and alternative assessments might effectively accommodate students with mathematical difficulties. Lastly, develop programs to help STEM students with mathematical difficulties, peer monitoring, and tutoring. These will improve the academic performance of students with mathematics difficulties by providing additional support.
These are some of the references used in this study, and that concludes our presentation. Dear panelists, we are now ready for your questions, recommendations, and suggestions. Once again, good morning.